All right, everybody, today we're gonna do one of my favorite Mexican soups. It's called albondigas. Am I saying that right? Albondigas meatball soup. If it was up to me, I would put this soup in the Campbell soup family. This is like some, you know, those old school Mexican restaurants where only senior citizens go eat. This is kind of that soup, but I actually love it. It has a lot of flavor. I'm gonna teach you a fast way to make it in an easy way. Have you ever had albondigas? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, we have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'll put that in there. 1 egg beaten. I'm gonna add some garlic. A teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Tablespoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of cumin, and like 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're gonna add our uncooked rice, 1/2 cup. Just mix this up. Everything incorporated. And let's add some cilantro. All right, now we're gonna make our meatballs. You can use your hand. I like to have a little bit more consistency. All right, don't get intimidated by all these ingredients. It's real easy. Let's get our fire going. So first, we're just gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna add our celery and our onions. And you don't have to dice them too small. You can do a rough cut. A lot of y'all do rough cuts anyway. Our carrots. Now we have the Holy Trinity in there. Some diced jalapeños. And like I said, this is the way I like it. All right, now we're gonna add our garlic. All right, now I'm gonna add my seasonings. Tablespoon of Mexican oregano, teaspoon of cumin seed, smoked paprika, chicken bouillon. Both of these are 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of onion powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now remember I said I like to mix my seasonings in, put some heat to them, just to activate those flavors. Now we add our beef stock. Add 1 can diced tomatoes and 1 squash zucchini. We're gonna add a couple of chipotle peppers. This is just how I like it. I need a little bit of heat. And once this comes to a boil, we're gonna add our meatballs and our potatoes. Now that is to a boil, let's add our potatoes. I'm gonna add some more cilantro. Add our meatballs. All right, we're gonna let this simmer on like medium high for about 30 to 35 minutes, and we'll be ready to eat. First of all, she doesn't like soups. When I slid the plate over to her, oh, that's bullshit.
If you know me, you know I don't like soup. I mean, I like soup, but it's still 81 degrees outside. It need to be cold.
She likes soups with the consistency of a cheese sauce.
Yeah. I don't know, I just don't like soup. I mean, it's good, like, you know, when you sick and stuff like that. But I'm not the one asking for soup.
I am. I love soup.
But what's this? Albondigas?
Albondigas.
Albondigas.
Albondigas. Hey, listen. before she tries it, am I saying this right? Let me know in the comments.
Right, because he got me over here probably saying it wrong.
And I love this dish.
Yo necesito ayuda.
Albondigas, pozole, menudo. I fuck with it all.
Put your little accent on it.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try it.
Go ahead and cut one. Yeah.
All right, guys.
Some potatoes.
All right. Oh, that's a big potato.
Yeah.
Looks hot.
Moment of truth. It's hot. Gotta blow and turn them.
I taste the flavors. Okay.
I like it.
I like it.
And it's even better. You get you some
taste
warm tortillas.
What's that? Spanish pepper?
Roll some of the meatball and the veggies and the potatoes in it. Dip it in the broth.
Ooh, with some tortillas?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Want me to make a tortilla?
Nah, I'm gonna eat something else. But, no. But I'm just saying, like, when I'm sick, I'll ask for this. Because it's not, what's that, zucchinis?
Yeah.
It's not too many vegetables in here that, you know. But the flavor, is that Spanish paprika?
Huh?
What's that?
I actually put smoked paprika.
Yeah, it's something. It's hot.
I know.
Like, real bad.
I'm already sweating.
Yeah. It's hot soup.
Yeah.
It's 81 degrees today.
Go outside.
Well, no,
right
no,
now.
it's
Go
chilly.
outside.
It's chilly.
51 degrees
Right now, but it was 81 earlier. What's the homie? That was amazing.
Oh my God.
No, for real, I like it. It's cool. When you sick, you know.
I mean this shit now.
Yeah.
Fire.
That's good.
Listen, think outside the box. Don't be scared to try new things. Okay?
Put a little cheese in mine next time.
This is fire. I want somebody to make it and let me know in the comments how it was.
Yeah, later.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.